Hi guys, this is Mary. You're watching Cardz TV. Today over at one of my challenge blogs, Cricut Cardz Challenge, the challenge is to make a card for the holiday of your choice. And you can use any cartridge or any colors you'd like. So it was a hard choice for me between Christmas and Halloween. So I've decided I'm going to do a Halloween card. And I love making Halloween cards. They're so much fun and you can use these bright colors and just cute little whimsical images. So I've picked out these colors for my card. I've got black, purple, and this purple is showing up as blue on the camera, but it is purple. Kind of a lime green. And then I've got some pattern papers. These are from Recollections. This is a black and white stripe, and then this is a cute little orange and lighter orange polka dot. And my cardstock are all from Color Book today. So we're going to put together a card using these colors, and I pulled out Three Birds on Parade. I haven't used this in a while, and it's the cutest little cartridge. Everything in here is a bird. And it's for all different holidays and occasions. So I flipped over to page 39, and here is a little ghost bird. I think he's so cute. And I cut him out and all his layers at 3 inches. And I'll show you what I've got here. And it's kind of small at 3 inches. Here's this little treat bag. This is the background. And I cut it kind of out of an orange marigold color. Let me show you with the book exactly what I did, because I skipped a couple of steps in cutting these out. Okay, I cut this background right here out of this kind of marigold. I cut the top out of white. There's the treat bag, and that's kind of a burnt orange. But I didn't cut his legs separately because they're already on this solid piece. So I left that step out. Then here's the little speech blurb where he's going to say boo. I cut it out of the green, but when I cut out the word boo, it was so small I couldn't even punch the holes out of the center. Well, luckily for me, I had a little stamp that said boo, so I just used some black Stays-On ink and stamped boo right on the little green blurb. It's going to go right there. And rather than cut him out of black just to fill in for the eyes, I've just cut a little small piece of black, and I'll just glue that on behind him. So I did save a few layers there by doing it that way. Also, I pulled out some stamps that I've had for years. Hope we don't have a glare. I love these stamps. I got them at Michael's, and I think they're Hampton Arts. I'm not even sure. I don't even have the packaging anymore. And I've had them for probably 5 years, so I don't know if you can even get these anymore. But I love the candy cane on here. And the difference in the two candy corn. It's early, guys, and I haven't had much sleep. Anyway, candy corn is one is turned one direction and one is flipped, and it's the mirror image on the other side. So I stamped those out. Let me show you over here. I stamped out 3 of them, 2 in one direction and 2 in the other. I love how these turned out. I stamped them out, and then I colored them with my Bic markers. Let's see, this one is Sunset Orange. And this one is Yellow Blaze. And because I'm using black ink, I didn't want to ink around them with black because that's too harsh. So I used some Chestnut Roan, which is darker than the creamy brown. But it, you know, it gives a nice distressed look to it. But it's not as light as the creamy brown. I really like the way that came out. So we're going to add these. We've also got some of this really cute purple and orange polka dot ribbon we're going to put on here. So I'm going to speed this up and we're going to put this little Halloween together for Cricut Cardz Challenge. Here's my finished Halloween card for Cricut Cardz Challenge. Be sure to go over now and check and see what the fantastic design team has done for us this week, guys. These ladies are so talented, and they just create the most wonderful cards every week. And you can go ahead and enter the challenge yourself. And if random.org picks you as the winner, then your name will get entered for the grand prize. We give away a grand prize every month. So make sure you go check them out, guys. Thanks so much for coming by today. I appreciate y'all so much. And I'll see you again real soon. Bye now.